So what we're going to do is butter chicken quesadilla, or you can use in the tortilla, tortilla wrap if you're just going to grill it. So the first is make the tandoori chicken. You can follow my recipe. The link for the recipe will be in the description. So you can follow that and make it. So once it's cooled down, I'm going to pull the chicken meat. For making quesadilla, I got whole wheat and corn tortilla. It's around 6-inch size. Applying a bit of olive oil inside. Why I'm doing that? So the bread will not go soggy. Now putting Makhani gravy. Let's say 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon, we can say. We just put the filling on the half side only. So I'm putting the tandoori chicken, the pulled tandoori chicken. Only one on side. Putting chopped onions. 1 big tablespoon should be enough. And then cheese on the top. Cheese what I'm using is matured grated cheddar. You can use anything. You can add some coriander leaf. Just break and put it. Then fold it nicely. Press it. Apply olive oil on the top. If you want more flavor, you can use desi ghee. It will be nice, or clarified. Now lift the whole quesadilla or the tortilla wrapped. Place it the side that is basted with olive oil down, and then press it again. So once it's almost 1 minute, I'm applying olive oil on the other side. Now carefully lift it with a spatula, then turn the other side. Okay, nice crispy. Now just take it off. It's ready. Put in a chopping board. We can cut it with a nice sharp knife. You can cut into 3, I believe. That should be good enough. Nice triangles. It's crispy. So lift it. So now place it nicely. Okay, one on top like this, arranging. And if you want to put some salad, you can put, or just garnish and then serve it. That's it. A bit of cheese on the top. Ready.